Hey guys, Jay Riggs here, Riggs Fabrication, Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to talk about this 1972 Plymouth Duster. Okay, so this Duster originally came with a 318 motor, and we're going to put this 408 blueprint motor in. Should give us about 465 horsepower. We're mating it with a GM 4L60E. So when we got started, the customer supplied us the 4L60E from Gearstar, and Blueprint supplied the 408. But the flywheel is externally balanced on the Mopar. So there was an interesting challenge getting a torque converter that had the starting gear on it. So the guys at Gearstar, listening to our problem, went and said, well, let's solve this problem for them. So they were super awesome, and what they did was they mated half of a Mopar torque converter with the starting gear on it, with the other half GM. So this is going to mate up nicely with the transmission, and this is going to mate up nicely with the externally balanced flywheel, allowing the Mopar starter to do everything it's supposed to do. This is a one of one. They literally solved the problem for us, realizing that this transmission is a common swap transmission, but there's not a between to make A and B go together. So we're real excited to have worked with Gearstar on this and get this torque converter installed.